Hi and welcome back. For my spread in the Dina Wakley Journal, I'm starting by cutting a circle from one of my autumn jelly prints. I've shared this video a few weeks ago and I will link it up at the end of this video. You can see on the left page I have already started my background. I have collaged some book pages on it just with gel medium. I will also use the gel medium to adhere my circle to the spread. My journal is already very bulky. It's almost completely filled, and I have to say that I enjoyed the pages very much, except from the burlap and the canvas pages, because I have no idea what to do with them. I have added some mixed media tags to those pages, but I don't need them in that journal, I would say. And also the whole spine is broken with the thickness of the whole book. I'm using that Catalys tool to press the paper good onto my page, and this avoids that I get wrinkles or anything. I let my page dry completely, and now I come in and I will do some stamping, and I'm using leaf stamps from the Carved Whimsy Wood stamp set together with black StazOn ink, and here I have cut a mask to make sure I don't get the stamping image onto the outside of my circle. It's a very simple page. I just wanted to use those jelly prints. If you are watching from Germany, you maybe don't know that I have also a German YouTube channel where I'm sharing exactly the same videos that I'm sharing here, so maybe you like to check that out. I have a link in my video description. And also, if you can speak German, you might be interested in my first ever book I've written. It was released last week, and of course it's a mixed media book, and I'm sharing a lot of mixed media crafting ideas in this book, and I got my first copies today and I'm pretty happy about them. And in case you're interested in that book, I have no idea at the moment if it will be translated into English. I think there must be a publisher who is interested in, and then this will be possible. Well, I hope so. We will see what happens. As this book is very bulky, it was hard to stamp the leaves perfectly, and you just saw that I messed up that one and I tried to stamp over it, but that did not work very well. But I don't mind that. It's just an art journal, and I will add a little bit of more black color around, and then it will not be a big problem. I now go in with the black Stabilo Woody and add a contour around the circle, and I will also blend it with water. If you don't have the Stabilo Woodys, you can use any kind of water-soluble crayon, for example the scribble sticks or the new color crayons. Also the Faber-Castell gelatos would work. It's a bit too much black, I feel, so I'm using a baby wipe and just pull something off. I'm adding some more color also with the woodies, and I'm picking colors that are already on the page, like the orange and also the violet. I wanted to add some color splatters to the whole spread, and I just cut a circle that is almost the size of the circle on my page. And now I'm making some splatters with acrylic ink. To make everything a little bit brighter, I also use white ink to make some splatters. For my focal image, I have picked the bumblebee from the Inky Friends stamps, and I have stamped this to a leftover paper where I had some leftover paint on it. It's laying there for a while, and I believe I did this with the video where I'm sharing how I make my own collage papers, and I will link this up as well at the end of this video. And the letters are cut from a jelly print where I have also some of the green and a little bit of orange, and I cut these with some dies from Tim Holtz. I'm arranging everything on my page, and then I will use the wet glue to stick everything down. And here you can see the finished spread. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope you will see us next time. Bye!